So immediately after you enter the gate, we're going to be in scheduled group parking, which will be to the right. There are two sections to it: a lower lot and an upper lot. And we're probably going to need to use all of it for the number of people we have. There's only about 17 spaces in this lower lot. But I believe what we should do is start by filling up the upper lot. And as we do that, we can park rows of cars on either side of it, lengthwise, until we fill up that space. It's normally set aside for like bus parking, but we can fill up that space, and then we can go back down as we fill it up, go back down the edge, one edge, which would be better to be the outside edge of the ramp leading to the upper lot, and fill that in with cars, and then fill in the lower lot. It makes a lot of sense, and I think that's the best way to get the most cars in here. I may ask somebody to look after that for us on Saturday morning. So from the upper lot, you're immediately coming out of it, and about 30 feet away is the outdoor classroom. I'm going to bring some extra folding chairs just in case, because the bench seating that they have is probably going to be just about enough, give or take, for our students. It's a big platform up here, but the bench seating is only on one end of it. And there may be some last minute decision about what we do indoors and what we do outdoors. But from there, it's just a short walk, about 150 feet up the hill to the outdoor classroom. The little kids' playground to my left will be open that day, so that's probably going to present some interesting things. But hey, they won't be interested in us talking, but they will be wanting to see the birds, I'm sure. So the idea is we do some of this indoors, some of it outdoors. We definitely would try to eat outdoors. I'm going to bring a couple of umbrella chairs and some folding chairs for that purpose. But here's the outdoor classroom, just up the hill.